Hello, is Anna here again, traveling with birds? We are here now at the Wat Mahathat Laem Sak at Krabi province. Oh,
And where is it?
in Krabi,
No, but where's the temple?
just back behind us.
This one behind us here?
Yes, looking.
Okay.
Just follow pond. Because he have been up
Huh?
with us and very beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Especially the view and amazing.
But they don't know that. They haven't been yet.
Just follow up.
Okay,
Let's go.
okay. So we're going to go up to the top there and we'll show you the view.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
How amazing and beautiful.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Cut.
Let's go.
So we have to trek all the way up these steps. And believe it or not, we have to remove our shoes before we go up there. And those steps are blisteringly hot. Just at the moment it's 36 degrees in the shade, so I dread to think what it is in the sun. So I'm just going to leave my shoes right here. Luckily I'm wearing socks, but Anna isn't. So we'll go up here. And we'll just stop halfway up so you can see some more of the temple. And we'll keep going. And I'm just going to stop here to catch my breath. And we're lucky today because the main temple is open. It's called a pratat, I believe. And whenever I've been here before, all the doors were locked, which possibly means they hadn't finished anything inside. So let's take a look. Wow, that's pretty spectacular.
Because we are inside the temple at Wat Mahathat, that's why we have to stay quiet. So we will take a look around in there and then head outside to look at the rest of the temple and the sea view. You will see how beautiful.
And of course, this is what we really came for. Spectacular view over the river and out into Pankar Bay. And actually, that gives me an opportunity to tell you about the history of this place. Except I really can't because there isn't one. It's all brand new. I first came here in 2016, I think it was. So that would be, let's see, 23 minus 16, but a one there. Carry one, take away the number you first thought of, and yeah, that would be 7 years, right? There were giant cranes and scaffolding everywhere, people painting, bits of goodness knows what lying around, people dangling in midair, doing whatever it is that people do when dangling in midair. So I kept coming back to see if they'd finished, and I think maybe now they have. Except that a couple of 100 meters from here, there's another building they've just started on, so I guess I'll have to keep coming back. No hardship, really. Let's move on. Okay, so there you have it. Wat Mahathat Laem Sak in Krabi province. Well, we certainly enjoyed that. I hope you did. And so for now, I'll say it's goodbye from Anna, and it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from Bert. Goodbye.